Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through some basics of package.json in Node.js project. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, how to create it, and why it is so important. So let's dive right into it. First, I will create a new project, named it npm test. Let's open it up in VS Code. So now, to set up a package.json file, you need to go to the terminal and run command npm init. So when you run it, it will show you some questions, like your basic question like your project's name, version, and script that you will run. Most importantly, it keeps track all the dependency of your app needs. And if you want a head start without needing to completing this one by one, you can just run npm init -y. That will automatically create a package.json for your project. So once you're done, you will see package.json file created. This file is the brain of your Node.js project. It stores crucial data like your project's name, version, and script that you can run. Most importantly, it keeps track all the dependencies your app need. For example, if you install package like Express, you will install with npm install Express. It automatically add it under the dependency section. For example, if you want Axios, you will just install npm install Axios here, and it will show up in the dependencies as well. Now let's talk about versioning. Dependency version looks something like this. The first number is the major version, which changes if there's a big breaking updates. The second number is a minor version for new features that don't break the first one, so it is safe to update it. And the last one is the patch version, like smaller things or bug fixing. So if you see a caret icon, this one, it means it will update the minor updates and the patches all the time for this package, this specific version. And if you want to change only the patches, not the minor ones, you will add a tilde icon to it, which is this one. So it will update only the patches, not the whole version. And if you want to keep it as it is, you will just remove all the icons before a version. So with this type of knowledge, you can manage all of your dependencies, all your scripts that runs your projects, also the starting point where your project will run. So with this knowledge, you can confidently manage your Node.js project and keep everything organized and consistent. Thanks for tuning in. If it is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for quick tips. And also I'm thinking of doing a series on Node.js backend. So I'm just starting off with the basics. Please let me know if you have any guidance on this. Thank you.